Picking up from the previous video, we're here on the send orders screen, and the same holds true. I can click the orders that I want to send. These are the ones that have been processed, they've been audited, everything checks out, 10-day letters have been printed. We're happy these are ready to send, and then I say send the checked item, and those orders are being sent to the trustee. Now down here, there's a waiting for pickup, which you'll see all those orders that we just processed are down here. Now, they're here because they haven't been picked up by the trustee yet. They only get picked up when they open that order. So if there's anything you need to do to change it, you can come over here and change the status of the order until they're picked up. So if you want to go back and add a name or something like that, you can switch it back to being a new order, and it'll go back into the new order menu, and you can add names, and of course then you'll have to reprint the audit reports and all that. So anytime you make changes to these, you'll have to run them through the whole process of printing audit reports, flagging them for send, and then they'll sit here and wait for the trustee. Now, as long as we've got a little bit of time on this video, I'm going to show you how to copy mailings. So let's find the mailings from, what was that one we were doing? 9999999, I believe it was. And let's go find it. Ah, there it is. Okay. So we want to copy the mailings from this one. Now, this is the mailings from here. Sometimes there's a lot of them. But let's say we want to copy it to another order. So let's just pick an order. You'll know exactly which TSG number you want to copy to, but I'm going to have to kind of dig around and hope I can find one. So I'm just going to do 4 or 5. And notice it starts showing me a list down here as I type it in. And the list, of course, gets smaller if I type 451. There's all the ones that start with 451. And then I'll finally say, okay, this is the one I want right there. I say copy the mailings. And those 3 mailings have been copied over to 4513231. That's all there is to copy mailings. So if you got one with 100 mailings, you can copy it in a matter of seconds. Also, let's take a look at reprint. If you ever need to reprint a TSG order or an audit report or anything like that, you can come in here and find it. You've got the same search criteria to find whatever order you want to find. You can, once you find it, you just come over here and say print the 10 or 5-day letter, print the audit report. These are all California orders. None of these have any names associated with them. A note up here where it says caution, this page will not check or affect the workflow. So the order status is not checked, nor will it be changed. So you can't come down here to a new order, print the report, and expect it to be audited, because it won't be. So that's pretty much it. And again, all these lists have a refresh button on them. So if anything changes, if somebody else is working on something, you might note here too that they're all color coded. So based on the status, you can see the status of the order. And although you can't change it from here. And then the last thing on the list here is the trustee list. This is basically just a list of trustees. You can check off the ones you want to print. And if we just print some trustees, we can list off the list. This is the ones that we want to print, and we just go print. And again, you get a PDF file, and it'll show the list of trustees. So that's about as far as we're going to go now. That trustee list will show up. But I'm going to end this video while we're waiting for it. And this is the end of the video. So good luck, and I hope you have a good time running the new system. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me. Thank you.